Here I'll explain a shortcut which can save your time when you attend competitive exam. I'll go with one example. Here the question is like this. If momentum of your body increases by 20%, then the percentage increase in its kinetic energy is. When you want to solve this, if you use conventional technique, it takes few minutes time. If you use a simple technique, you can finish it within 5 to 10 seconds. Let us continue with this. In the question, it was given momentum is increased by 20%. So, while looking into that increment in the percentage, if you just write, just take 2, in the 20% you take 2, just before that you keep 1, square it, and subtract 100 from that. It will give you the answer. The increment, percentage increment in the kinetic energy is here 144 minus 100 is 44%. So this is the percentage increment in the kinetic energy of the body. So again, let me explain. See, looking into this 20%, 20%, yes, this one, 20%. Yeah, just before this 2, just add 1, square it, and minus 100 gives you the answer. Okay, if at all, let me continue. Let me extend this with 30% of increment in the momentum. Then what to do? Just before 3, add 1, square it, minus 100. 100 is common. Then what you will get? 69%. See, this is the increment in the kinetic energy of the body. See, again, let me explain here. Here, 30% in that, just before 3, add place 1, square it, square 13, minus 100. 13 square is 169, minus 100. So further, if you continue, just keep the entire calculation in mind. Don't keep on the paper. For example, let me go with 40%. 40%. Then 40%. Just before 4, what we have to keep? 1. So 14. 14 square is 196. 196 minus 100 is 96%. So this is the way you should continue. Okay, let's just go with 50%. If kinetic energy, if the momentum increases by 50%, just before 5, what you have to keep? 1. 15. 15 square is 225. 225 minus 100 is 120. So this is the way you can continue to get the answer here for this example. So what you will get if you follow this without putting down on the paper, you will get the answer. It saves the time at least by 30 to 40 seconds. So if you have certain kind of problems, at least 4 or 5, you can save the time by 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes is not a very small amount of time in competitive exam. So let us continue with the 60%. If at all the momentum increases by 60%, what could be the increment in the value of kinetic energy, percentage increment? So 60%. If it is 60% is the increment in the value of momentum. 60. So before 6, keep 1. 16 square is 256 minus 100 is 156. Then, so what I did here? Again, let me explain. Just before 6, keep 1, square it, subtract 100 from this. This you can do it in mind directly. So we'll do that for 100%. Slight deviation. 100% increment in the kinetic, momentum. Then here it is instead of single number, there are 2 digits. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So 20 square minus 100. So what is the answer? So 300. percentage increment in the kinetic energy is 300%. How could we arrive to this shortcut? Actually, we were given P2 minus P1 by P1 into 100. This is the percentile increment in the value of momentum is given. So you are asked to find percentile increment in the kinetic energy, K2 minus K1 by K1 into 100. So here, accepting this, so here you can develop this technique, which is very useful in attending many competitive exams. So like that, we'll continue with many more certain shortcuts one after one.